Greetings everyone, this is Rishikal Mukherjee and this video is completely based on internship that I've done from INeuron.ai, and the dataset is completely based on foreign direct investment where we are supposed to analyze the historical data for the last 17 years ranging from 2000 to 2017, and the dataset contains sector and financial year wise data of FDI, and we have performed some initial process of the data, pre-processing the data, data manipulations, EDA, which stands for exploratory data analysis, and we have used some libraries like NumPy, Pandas for uh, mathematical computations and data visualizations like Seaborn and Matplotlib for data visualizations in Python, Jupyter Notebook, and created some meaningful, intuitive insights and dynamic dashboards by using the business intelligence tool, which is Tableau. So I want to give a little bit a glimpse of how FDI stands for. So in today's globalized economy, FDI increasingly important for every businesses and investors. So it refers to the investment that which is made by the company or individual from one company to another company. It basically refers to the ownership stake. And the FDI inflows as a percentage of GDP, which stands for gross domestic product, which is a good indicator of nation's appeal for long-term investment. So it basically it creates a stable and long-lasting relationships for economic growth. So for quickly, I want to show the Jupyter notebook. We have done some important analysis. This is a problem statement where to analyze a sector-wise investment analysis and the year-wise investment analysis, and important key matrices and factors which would help the end users to make data-driven decisions. So this is the first 10 rows of the data. This is the last 10 rows of the data. There are 18 columns and 18 rows. There are no null values in the dataset. These are descriptive summary of the data. And whatever the plot that we are showing here, all we can see that is in positive skewness. We want to say that the skewness is refers to a degree of distortions from symmetrical bell curve or normal distribution. So as we see that is a positive skewness, it means that when the tail is on the right side of the distribution, it's longer or fatter. The mean and the medium will be greater than the mode. This is a histogram plot of the data, and this is refers to the box plot where you can see the outliers. Outlier refers to the data points which is differ significantly from the other data points. This is a pair plot. This is a core matrix, and we can able to see the correlation heat map where you're able to see the correlation between the various variables and attributes. We can able to see and analyze whether it is a positively correlated or negatively correlated, and the correlation ranges from -1 to +1. This is a year-wise total investment and a sector-wise total investment. And last is related to the top 10 sectors of the FDIs and the bottom 10 sectors of the FDIs. Later on, we are going to the another important part is a Warframe document. This is a glimpse of the data set that I have shown. And all these graphs has been created in the business intelligence tool, which is called Tableau. This is a low-level design documentation. This is the architecture that has been created. How we have got from the iNeuron, this provided all the related dashboards and demographics. And this is a little high-level design. All these tools has been used. This shows how the business works. We can able to see in the data This is a detailed project report where we have done the architecture from raw data collections to importing the data to the data set, data pre-processing. EDA have done, data modeling has been done. Then business intelligence tool Tableau has been used. Then intuitive insight has been used. Then they have done the deployment and that's shown the reporting. Based on the data set, you can see that sectors wise, sectors services sectors being the highest FDI contributors. The line chart even shows that the FDI inflows of the trends and patterns from 2016 to 2017. And the peak time is in the year 2008, which stands with the 31396. And somehow there was a dip down and the fluctuations between 2009 to 2012 and 2010 to 2012 as well. The forecasting of the line has been analyzed and predicted for the years 2017 and 2018. Is ranging between 41517 44025. The actual and estimate where forecast indicator has been utilized to see the trend lines. We can able to say among the top five sectors in the respect to the FDIs, we have analyzed and find out that the service the sectors has the highest and the biggest FDI inflows, having 44% of the total contributions, followed by telecommunications with 28.37 percentage, standing on second position. Computer software and hardware is on the third position with 18%. Intuitiveness has been done related to the dashboard demographics with the clusters of the FDIs and variations of the FDIs and proportions of FDIs. Where 10 clusters has been implemented, we can use any number of clusters to see the segregations of the various sectors of the FDIs. And we can change the number of clusters based on the business requirement expertise. And this is related to the end of the detailed project report. This is related to architecture design. We can make use of any data means related to the business intelligence tool. I have used Tableau and any other business tool like Spotfire uh, or Quick Sense or Click View or Power BI can be used for creating a intuitive dashboard. But somehow you can able to see that there's a good way to show to the end users then how the the data has been flowing related to trends of the investment over the period of years from 2000 to 2007, which year has been the highest, which year has been the lowest, how they are performing. So this is how it will be able to do some important decisions for the business so that the business will grow uh, for making good decisions. Somehow it is a pretty much good to create all this important stuff. Uh, Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to showcase my project in front of everybody. Thank you.